Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from, and everything's perfectly fine. But let me preface that with, it depends on perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 8.7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the grand perspective, then things are perfectly fine. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully that makes sense and you understand exactly why I'm saying that today, or the chart is still perfectly fine. Today in and of itself, yeah, kind of rough. I mean, it gapped up and then it ran up here. Some poor souls bought right there and then back down it went. But that's just one day. Taking a step back, looking at multiple days, you can, well, hopefully you can see, if not, that's the whole point of this video, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And from a big picture perspective, that's what those long-term uptrends are all about. Got to put in those higher bases, because when you have higher bases, higher lows, you can draw those beautiful uptrending trend lines. And that's all still in play. And in fact, not only is it in play, but the ideal level is still in play. Yesterday, I talked about, hey, Clay, going forward, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And I talked about, hey, if the price can hold up above 0018, that would make things very, very powerful appearing. And today, the price, you can see right there, found some support right around that area and then closed up above it. Now, even in the event the price doesn't, hold up above 0018, you still have the key level down here at 0014. I'm not going to beat that dead horse. So if you're curious on why 0014 is so important, then you can just go back and watch the video from Tuesday I did. But as it stands right now, and the other reason I don't want to beat the dead horse is 0018 is doing a great job of holding of support. So 0018, 0014 are still in play. And just to kind of quickly illustrate the point, let's say the price even came down at 0014, bounced around, and then headed back up. Even at that point, again, big picture perspective. I want to keep repeating that because I realize if you're a day trader and you bought right there, all this would sound crazy. But let's say the price did, come down there, bounce. You'd have a stair step right there. You'd have these lows down here. So like I said, if you picture each one of those as a stair step, then hey, you have the price progressing in the upwards direction from the, the overall perspective. So yeah, today in and of itself, not the best, but that's one day. Taking a step back, looking at the big story, the big picture, bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build the higher base. So we'll see if they can do that the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.